Hey guys, robbing a bank here. Today I want to talk about ANKR, one of my favorite altcoins of the bunch to choose from. I know it's not covered very much by many traders, many analysts. This is one of those particular projects I've had success trading over the past few years, the last cycle and last year, particularly the first quarter of 2023 and in late 2021. Yeah, it's a very volatile, very interesting altcoin, of course, and I'm going to get into why I remain bullish on this particular project. In terms of the Elliott wave structure, we know that it did 5 waves to the upside in the last cycle. We had 0, there's 1, wave 2, we had the large wave 3 into the spring of 21, followed by wave 4, and then the double top for wave 5 by November of 2021. Outstanding. It pretty much followed Bitcoin. Of course, it certainly outperformed. And yeah, followed by 5 waves up in the bull market of the last cycle. Of course, we also saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside. Outstanding. It bottomed out pretty much at the same time as Bitcoin as well. So it's yeah, very interesting to observe and to trade, of course. Now, yeah, we know this was wave 3, since wave 4 came right down on the monthly. This is the monthly time frame, of course. Right down to the 382 Fibonacci retrace level, and as we know, wave 4 generally is going to retrace down to the 236 or the 382 level, which it did beautifully. Put in its nice double top. Wave 5 was the weakest of the waves, of the impulsive waves, and went into bear market thereafter. So where do we stand in the current cycle, post bear market? Well, let's have a look. Now, although this was the lowest of the lows, lowest low rather of the bear market, I'm considering September 23 the start of the current bull market. You could say that this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, which would make sense, since, to be entirely honest, if we were to say this was wave 1 followed by wave 2, I thought this was going to go higher as a wave 3, but of course we rolled over the past several months, and that's okay though. So, let's see, take the high here, down to the low, and what has happened? Well, in early 23, we almost got up to the 0.5 retrace, faked out in March and April, just above the 0.5 retrace. That's why I thought perhaps it was going to run higher, up to the 618 maybe, or even up to the 702. Of course, that didn't happen, but it's still all right. It's basically a 1-2-1-2 as far as I'm concerned. This could not have been wave 4 if this had been wave 3, since, as we see, the price would have basically broken market structure by falling below the body of the candles from early 23. In any case, yeah, this is basically a 1-2-1-2. So let's take a look at where we could possibly go for wave 3 if this is in fact the bottom. based on Elliott wave theory, you want to see wave 3 be the largest move to the upside, just like it was in 2020 going into 2021. In which case, we should see wave 3, if this is to be the alt season that many of us are anticipating. We want to see the price basically come up to at least the 2 Fibonacci extension target, which is, 24 cents. It could go even higher, 33 cents, even hit the 2.618. Do I think this is going to happen? Do I think this is likely? I honestly don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, of course. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm curious to know what you guys think. Feel free to let me know in the comments section. It's certainly possible, right? This is a relatively low market cap altcoin. And if the Bitcoin dominance is to roll over in the coming weeks or coming months into the fourth quarter potentially, then yes, we could see that excess liquidity from Bitcoin absolutely flow into some of these many of these lower cap altcoin projects. Ankr possibly being one of them. Now, am I going to hold my entire position and wait for these levels to be reached? No. I'm definitely not going to do that. I am going to start to take profits on the way up. I do believe that the 618 golden pocket retrace level, which it is yet to hit, basically between, what is that? Let's basically call it, you could just say, between the 618 and the 702 would basically more or less be between 8 and 10 cents, which is from these current levels, it's a pretty significant gain. And so one doesn't want to be greedy. One wants to take profits on the way up, just like one wants to accumulate on the way down. I'll be unloading in this range. Should it be hit, I'm feeling pretty confident that we're going to see the price up here at some point in the not too distant future. Of course, I won't be unloading my entire position in this range because I would like to. I would definitely like to see this project at least hit the current all-time high or exceed it. One of the main reasons I'm so bullish, of course, on this particular project is the fact that it made, as I pointed out, 5 waves to the upside in the past bull cycle. That gives it more likelihood that it's going to put in a new all-time high, given the fact that there's that price history with that price history adhering to Elliott wave theory so beautifully. So we will see what happens. Very interesting chart, very volatile, plenty of potential. So not financial advice, not a certified financial advisor. So basically, even if it is possible, even if the 1.618 could be hit, come up all the way up to a dollar. I mean, can't rule it out. That'd be from here, 3,800%. Could certainly happen. Am I expecting it to happen? No. Do I think it's going to happen? Well, the thing is, it doesn't really matter what I think. It matters what the market thinks, and wait for the market to tell us what is likely to unfold. So, yeah, I want to see that Bitcoin dominance roll over and flood into these alts and take it from there. See what kind of, I don't want to say damage, but see what we can do. It's a very exciting time potentially in the very near future. So, yeah, that's about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave your comments on what you guys think about Ankr, the structure of the chart, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.